Yeah. It'd have to be fucking wild, trying to prep stuff and just like rolling away from you or something.
Yeah. Yeah, everything's pretty secure. Oh.
They added coach mode to it, kinda. Holy Christ, nobody there. Nice ball.
Thanks.
If I can just do like the...
Oh my God. He caught that? Nope. I should have called another timeout.
Go, let's force it and give him right back.
Oh, just fucking... Whew, what is that cornerback doing? He's 5 yards in the end zone. No way, dude. Fucking undercut that.
He's shook.
Oh.
Nice ball.
Thanks.
Take the fucking ball.
Nice play.
You got me.
Oklahoma State apparently is like a good young program to rebuild with badass jerseys.
I think